Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
The next minor change that you will see has been introduced to the breadcrumbs of the block editor. Now in WordPress 5.8, the breadcrumbs used an arrow icon, and in WordPress 5.9 it uses a chevron. Now you can see the breadcrumbs right over here. In WordPress 5.9 it uses a chevron, and in WordPress 5.8 it uses an arrow. So this is another small change that you will see.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.